Turning YouTube into a reliable income source doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategies, it's achievable faster than you think. Choosing the right niche was the first step. I picked a topic I was passionate about, with high demand and monetization potential. I committed to posting 2 to 3 high-quality videos per week. This helped me stay visible to the algorithm and kept my audience engaged. Optimizing my videos with the right titles, tags, and descriptions made my content easy to discover. I researched keywords my audience searched for. Building a community was key. I responded to comments, asked for feedback, and created content based on viewer requests. While ad revenue contributed, diversifying income streams made the biggest difference: affiliate marketing, sponsorships, merchandise. I focused on producing valuable content that solved problems or entertained my audience. This boosted my watch time and retention rates. YouTube Analytics became my guide. I analyzed data to understand what worked and adjusted my strategy accordingly. Cross-promotion on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok brought new viewers to my channel, increasing exposure and subscriber growth. I designed thumbnails and wrote titles that piqued curiosity without resorting to clickbait, significantly increasing my click-through rate. To stand out, I invested in better equipment, editing software, and learning resources to improve my video quality. With these strategies, earning $10,000 in 3 months on YouTube is entirely possible. Take the first step today.